This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Ford Expedition. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a double wishbone independent front suspension, running boards, a low tire pressure indicator, heated side view mirrors, and aluminum wheels. The Ford Pre-Owned certification, a 169-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 3-month 3,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. This Ford has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Every Sheehy Select used vehicle comes with a 3-day money-back guarantee, 60-day 2,000-mile warranty, passes a state inspection and our 175-point inspection system, and comes with a Carfax vehicle report.